guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. For those of you who are already subscribed, I'm Deja Jamia. Today I'm coming at you guys with a updated review for this hair that I am rocking right now, and it's giving me life right now. I'm gonna just say that it's giving me a little bit of life. But this hair is from Unice. I have in two 26 inches, a 24 inch, and an 18 inch frontal. This hair is, I bought this hair in October, so this hair is about 3 months old, almost maybe 4 months now. So I guess this would be like a 4-month updated review. Let's get into it. Okay, so this hair is it looks really nice. I'll give it that. It looks nice, it looks good. But me and this hair, I don't know, it's like a love-hate kind of relationship that we got going on right now. I cut bangs into the frontal just because I wanted to like spice it up a little bit. I wanted to do something different. It's high maintenance, that's what I'll say. Like, it does tangle. It tangles like up in here. It'll like tangle. It's not tangled right now, but like throughout the day it does tangle, which I mean, I guess that's not that bad. It's a little bit annoying, and like it'll snag. It's like it'll get like it'll look like way down in the middle, like throughout the day. I have to constantly brush it, if that makes sense. Like it'll start to look like, it'll just look like it needs to be brushed, like way down, and like it needs to be brushed, and I have to do that multiple times throughout the day. So that's kind of annoying, and it'll like snag up and stuff like that. It does shed, and for me it sheds quite a bit, I feel like. But for me, shedding is not really like a big deal. As long as it's not like crazy, like overwhelming shedding, then I'm cool, because I'm like, you know, all hair sheds or whatever, so that's not that bad for me. I did dye this hair. I dyed it this color with L'Oreal High Color. I dyed it this like burgundy type color, and you know, it did well with color and all of that. I don't know, it's like I said, it's a love-hate relationship because it tangles, it sheds, and it's high maintenance. Like I have to brush it like constantly throughout the day for it to like stay looking like nice like this. Like it'll just get like way down looking, and like I'll try to run my fingers through it and it won't just do like that. I just have to keep a brush from me, basically. I guess it's holding up good, I can say. Like it's been 4 months and it looks nice, you know, so that's always good. Like it looks nice, like it looks like good quality. It's like high luster, all of that. Like it looks real nice. Another problem was the ends got like really thin. I cut this hair, like I had to, then the ends are still, it was thin like when I put it in though. Since the beginning it's been like thin. Oh, you can see that's not cute, but it's been like thin since I bought it. Like even now the ends are still kind of thin, but before they was like stringy looking and it just was not cute. So I cut it, and let me just sit up a little bit. So like now it comes to like my stomach. It was way longer. Like I cut a good little bit off of the hair, and I do feel like that made it better. I went in and like made some layers and all of that just to like make it look a little bit more uniform, a little bit more clean, you know. I'll give this hair maybe like we're gonna give a 7 out of 10 as far as like the quality. I mean, I don't know, if you're fine with like it being high maintenance and all of that, with like a couple of little minor problems, then you know, you could go ahead and give this hair a go. Like I'm not gonna say it's bad hair, it's just annoying. That's how I'm like, it's a love-hate relationship, because like right now this hair is giving me life. Like it'll look so pretty and nice, it's just it does not stay like this throughout the day. And I don't know, I felt like a lot of the reviews, a lot of the YouTubers that make it like, oh, this hair is so great, and I'm like, I guess, I don't know, what's your that's not my definition of like great hair. To me, great hair is hair that, you know, I might have to brush it like maybe twice throughout the day. And it's not like I be doing nothing crazy. Like I don't even be doing nothing like, and I have to constantly brush it. Like it gets so weighed down looking. So to me, great hair is like minimum tangling. I don't have to constantly brush it. Like it just looks like this. Like most of the time I can run my fingers through it pretty good. Like, and it's just great. This hair is not like that constantly. Like, no, it tangles in the nape. It gets all tangly back here throughout the day. It gets weighed down looking, and that's not like the hair period. Like the ends, I don't know, it'll just get weighed down looking, and you have to brush it because it just doesn't look nice. It look like you got like stiff weave or something like that. And then when you brush it, it'll look back nice. So yeah, I'll give this hair like out of 10, I give it a 7 because, you know, it's still holding up. The frontal was really good. It's not like going bald or anything crazy like that. It's still nice. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I'm trying to show you guys that the frontal is still in like good condition. My frontal is pushed back a little bit, like as you can see, because the bangs was coming a little bit too long, so I pushed it back so they'll like fall at the right length. But yeah, the frontal was real nice, real good quality. This the 4th month. It's not going bald because most people be like, oh, my frontal has bald spots in it, and this is my first frontal, so I didn't really know what to expect. So yeah, it's holding up good. It's doing pretty good. If you want like a nice quality frontal, I would recommend Unice hair because the frontal was giving me life, and it had came pre-plucked and all of that, so I didn't even have to really do no work. Like I barely had to pluck it because it came pre-plucked, and it looks so nice and so natural. So yeah, they got the frontals. They doing the dang thing with the frontals, okay? I'm gonna just recurl it on video and show you guys. It curls well. It holds a curl pretty well. These curls are old. So yeah, I guess it's pretty good hair. I don't know, it's just a love-hate relationship. But yeah, it does hold a curl pretty nicely. These curls are old, like a day old, I think, or 2 days old. But I don't sleep in this wig, so that's another thing. I don't sleep in the wig like ever. Like I rarely do. And I'm gonna just rewind curl it and show you guys how it curls. And yeah, I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you in deciding what hair company you want to go with. I would recommend Unice hair. Like I said, you just got to keep in mind those little things, that those little problems that I feel like I had. And if you're fine with all of that, then definitely give Unice a go because they are affordable and the hair does still look nice. So yeah, I would definitely recommend. And if you enjoyed this video, if it was informative, if it helped you out, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Leave comments down below, ask questions if you feel like I left anything out, if you want to know anything, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.